Welcome back to AutoHub Info, where we bring you the latest and hottest cars from around the world. Today we are diving into the 2026 to 2027 Ferrari Purosangue, a vehicle that blends pure Italian performance with everyday practicality like never before. At first glance, the Purosangue looks unmistakably Ferrari. The aggressive front fascia, sleek LED headlights, and sculpted body lines give it a sporty yet elegant presence. Unlike traditional SUVs, Ferrari has designed this car to feel more like a raised sports car rather than a bulky off-roader. The aerodynamic design is carefully crafted to ensure maximum performance while maintaining that iconic Ferrari DNA. Step inside, and you are greeted with a luxurious cabin that feels both futuristic and driver-focused. Premium materials like fine leather, carbon fiber, and aluminum dominate the interior. Ferrari has also introduced a unique dual cockpit layout, meaning both the driver and passenger get their own digital displays. The seats are designed for maximum comfort, making long journeys just as enjoyable as high-speed drives. Now let's talk about what truly makes the Purosangue special. Under the hood, it carries a naturally aspirated V12 engine, something extremely rare in today's world of downsized and hybrid powertrains. This powerhouse delivers breathtaking performance, producing over 700 horsepower and offering an unforgettable driving experience. The sound alone is enough to remind you that this is still very much a Pizdia Ferrari at heart. The 2026 and 2027 versions are expected to bring subtle improvements in technology and performance. Ferrari may enhance the infotainment system, improve driver assistance features, and possibly refine the suspension for an even smoother ride. However, don't expect Ferrari to compromise on performance, because maintaining driving excitement is always their top priority. One of the most impressive aspects of the Purosangue is its advanced all-wheel drive system. This allows the car to maintain exceptional grip and stability in different driving conditions. Whether you are cruising on the highway or tackling rough roads, the Purosangue adapts effortlessly. Ferrari has also equipped it with cutting-edge suspension technology that adjusts in real time, ensuring both comfort and performance are perfectly balanced. In terms of practicality, the Purosangue offers 4 full-size doors and a surprisingly spacious interior. This makes it one of the most family-friendly vehicles Ferrari has ever created. The rear seats provide ample legroom, and the cargo space is enough for everyday use. It is clear that Ferrari wanted to create a car that could be used daily without sacrificing luxury or performance. Safety and technology are also a big focus. Expect features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and advanced braking systems. Ferrari has combined these modern technologies with their racing expertise to create a vehicle that feels both safe and thrilling at the same time. Of course, owning a Ferrari like the Purosangue comes with a premium price tag. But for those who can afford it, this car offers something truly unique. It is not just an SUV, and it is not just a sports car. It is a perfect blend of both worlds, delivering performance, luxury, and practicality in one stunning package. The 2026 to 2027 Ferrari Purosangue proves that Ferrari is not afraid to innovate while staying true to its roots. It is bold, powerful, and unlike anything else on the road today. If you are looking for a vehicle that stands out in every way possible, this might just be the ultimate choice. Let us know what you think about the Ferrari Purosangue in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AutoHub Info for more exciting car reviews and updates.